How to make voice as it comes from a large room or bathroom in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video and audio to my timeline.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Mia.
Go to the Effects panel, click on Audio Effects, and search for Reverb. Drag and drop Reverb effect into the audio and timeline. Here in the presets, select one of the presets that you like and press the spacebar to hear the audio.
Who had a love for all things
Disable the effect and play the audio, and then enable it, and play the audio to find your desired sound.
creative. She had a unique.
You also can drag these handles to change the room size based on your needs.
However, her quirkiness often made her feel out of place in her small town.
Once you're happy with the result, close this window.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Mia. Her quirkiness often made her feel out of place in her small town.
Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.